Alright, in today's video, we're going to build a complete SaaS web app totally free using Replit. So this right here is the Replit interface. And guess what? They have just launched Replit Agent 3, which is a huge upgrade from their previous version. We will use this new AI-powered agent to create our SaaS app from scratch and see how well it actually performs. And here is the best part. We are not using any paid plan. Everything will be built using Replit's free version. So we will find out whether the free plan is truly powerful enough to build a complete working SaaS product or not. Now, the idea for today's app is pretty interesting. We are going to build an AI blog post generator. Here is how it will work. Users will simply enter a topic and choose a tone like professional, friendly, or informative. Then the app will generate a complete SEO friendly blog post for them automatically within seconds. Sounds fun, right? So let's get started. Here on the dashboard, you will see a few options: web app, data app, 3D game, general, agent, and automations. So for this project, I will go ahead and select web app, since that's what we need to create our AI blog post generator. Alright, so here is the prompt I gave to Replit Agent. Build a SaaS app where users can enter a topic, choose a tone like professional, casual, or funny, and the app will generate a complete SEO friendly blog post, including copy and a download button. Okay, pretty simple, right? That's our main prompt. Now, one really cool thing about Replit Agent is that you can attach reference links or examples to make your prompt more specific. So, if you have an existing website or app you want it to take inspiration from, you can simply attach it right here. Okay. After that, Replit also gives you an option to enhance your prompt automatically. It basically improves your import by rewriting it in a clear and more detailed way. So let's go ahead and enhance it. And look at this, it has rewritten our simple prompt beautifully. It clearly explains every feature of the app, from user import to the final generated blog output. Not only that, it even mentioned Jasper and Copy.ai as visual reference, which is amazing because those are two of the top AI writing tools out there, right? So now that our enhanced prompt looks perfect, let's move ahead and click Start Chat. Once we send the prompt, the Replit agent responds instantly. It says, I will help you create a SaaS web application for an AI powered SEO blog writer. Well, that's great. So that means our AI agent is ready to start building. Okay, so once the prompt was sent, the Replit agent instantly created a complete action plan step by step, showing exactly what needs to be done to build the app. The best part is that you can actually edit or modify this plan before the build starts. So if there is anything you want to change, like adding new features, tweaking the UI, or adjusting the workflow, you can easily do that right here, okay? After that, it gives you two options: build the entire app automatically or start from a design first if you want to manually create the layout. But in our case, we are not focusing on design. We want to see how well Replit's AI can handle the full development process on its own. Okay, so I will go ahead and click on build the entire app. Now it says preview will be available soon, which means the AI has officially started working. So let's just sit back and wait for a bit. Let's see how well it performs and what kind of app it actually builds for us. Alright, so now it's asking us to enter an API key. And it also says that if you don't already have one, you can simply click the link provided, create a free account, and get your own API key from there. So let's go ahead and do that. Once we are on the site, we will click on create new secret key to generate a new one. Alright, the key is ready. Now let's copy it, paste it back into Replit, and hit continue. Now the Replit agent is back to work. It's automatically setting up the app again. Let's see how long it takes this time. And after just a few minutes, boom, our web app is ready. But here is something really impressive I just noticed. The agent isn't just generating code blindly, it's actually testing every single function automatically, checking whether each part of the app works properly or not. That's a big deal because usually when you build something manually, you have to test and fix every bug yourself. But here the AI is doing all of that for you, detecting issues, testing features, and then fixing errors on its own. Pretty amazing, right? Alright, so our credits have fully run out, but the good news is our web app is completely ready. The only issue right now is with the API key I entered. Looks like there is a small problem with it. Because of that, the blog post generation isn't working at the moment. But apart from that, everything else is fully functional. The design looks clean, and even the dark mode and light mode toggle works perfectly. Let's open it in a full view and take a look. Looks great. So, so as you can see, we just built a complete SaaS web app using Replit's free version, not paid subscription, no extra tools, just the power of Replit and its AI agent. What really impressed me is how smart the agent is. It not only writes the code, but also checks every function automatically and fixes bug on its own, which is super helpful. And the fact that it runs smoothly for about 20 to 30 minutes even on the free plan, that's honestly pretty impressive. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.